Where to get motivation for home designing suggestions. The words of wisdom, "A image is worth 1,000 words" is true for many, many scenarios. This famous quotation even relates to home decor. Several people pull their ideas with regard to their redecorating projects from home decorating pictures. It is challenging to visualize an area furnished using the various design themes. Many believe the French nation style is ideal for your kitchen, but whenever you really see this style used in home decorating photos, you may alter your thoughts. Contemporary style is hot these days with its cool accents, fabric and furniture, but is it for the house? Browsing home decorating photos of contemporary style will assist you to decide whether it is for your house or not. Tuscan style sounds beautiful whenever you read about it in magazines and books, but until you see those house decorating photos using Tuscan design, you can't be certain if it would work inside your home. House redecorating photos are very advantageous when generating strategies to decorate both the interior and exterior of one's house. Photos either validate your visions or provide a totally different reality. Home redecorating photos offer you an opportunity to browse and choose a design that best suits you and your home. There are so many designs to choose from, some you've most likely never heard of. Present house designing pictures provide you a chance to view all of the newest trends in house designing for each room inside your house.